In this lesson, we will learn how to sort data. Make sure you have the earthquakes database you completed in Lesson 2. If you haven't got this database, you will need to download the database from BlogEd. So what is sorting? To sort data means to arrange the data into an order. It could be arranging the data in alphabetical order. For example, arranging records so that the earthquake locations are in alphabetical order. It could also be arranging data from the largest to smallest number, such as arranging the records from the highest Richter scale measurement to the lowest Richter scale measurement. Let's look at our earthquakes database. At the moment, the records are not in any sort of order. Let's say we want to sort the earthquakes so that it appears from earliest to latest according to the year. There are two ways we can do this. The first way is to click on the arrow next to the year column heading, then click on from smallest to largest. This will sort the records from the earliest to latest according to the year. The second way to do this is to click on the year column heading, then in the Records menu in the top menu ribbon, click on the Ascending button. To undo the sort and return the records in its original order, click on the Clear All Sorts button in the top menu ribbon. Let's now arrange the records so that it appears from the highest Richter scale measurement to the lowest Richter scale measurement, or in descending order according to Richter scale measurement. Like before, we can do this in two ways. The first way is we can click on the arrow next to the Richter scale measurement column heading and click on from largest to smallest. The second way is to click on the Richter scale measurement column heading, then click on the Descending button in the top menu ribbon. Again, if you want to cancel the sort and return the records in its original order, click on the Clear All Sorts button in the top menu ribbon. At the moment, we have only looked at sorting records in the table view or the datasheet view. Let's now look at sorting records in the form view. Click on this button to open the navigation pane, then double-click on Form 1 to open up the form view of the database. Remember that in the form view, we can only see one record at a time. So to navigate between the records, we need to use these buttons at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Next Record button to move on to the next record. Click on the Previous Record button to go back a record. Click on Last Record to jump to the last record, and click on First Record to go back to the first record. Let's now arrange the records so that they appear from the largest number of deaths to the smallest number of deaths, or in other words, to arrange the database in descending order according to the number of deaths. Make sure you are in the first record. Click on the Number of Deaths field, and then in the top menu ribbon, click on the Descending button. This will now arrange the records in the database in descending order according to the number of deaths. Like before, to undo the sort and make the records go back in its original order, click on Clear All Sorts in the top menu ribbon.